Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Troy. Today we're gonna be unboxing a new Lego set. And I know I haven't made videos for a while because my mom has a new work, but let's just ignore that. Today we're gonna be building the X1 Ninja Charger Lego set. And it's the new Ninjago Legacy set. And here you see bottom right here. There is the new limited edition coal. You know what? If you get this Lego set, you get a limited edition coal because it's the Legacy set. And it's called the X1 Ninja Charger. This set is recommended ages 8 plus and the code number is 717375. And there's the word X1 Ninja Charger. Weirdly for UK, the Lego sets, they put the number of how much pieces they have, but this one doesn't have. Let's cut the Lego set. Cut the box. Alright, let's do this. Let's open it up. My mom already helped me open it. Alright, let's see what's in here. Hold on. By the way, you guys could see many balloons behind me. It's because 4 days ago was my birthday and this was my birthday present. Anyways, let's throw his bad boy out. Let's remove these Lego sets. Whoa. Okay, whatever. Get off here, trash. So in this Lego set, we have literally 5 bags. It's the most. 5 bags. We have some stickers. That's a lot. Red stickers and orange, my favorite, and instruction books. Now I'm gonna start building, and I'm gonna be using time lapse for the building part. All right. Alright, now I'm gonna be doing the bag, which is bag number 5. And I'm already in page 107. 107, I'm gonna start the bag number 5. Right? Clear some space up. Alright. Clear it all out. There's a lot of stuff. Here, alright, I just finished building the Lego set. Over here, bam! Look at that. And to be honest, guys, I made this car for 2 days because I make it in the afternoon in the first day, so I don't have a lot of time. But this is the car. But let me show you the characters first. Alright, so these are the characters. There is Jay with his nunchucks. And then we had this little cyborg over here that's called Ninja, and he kind of has a scythe? I know, but look at his helmet. I like the helmet and his costume. And this is the best character, I think, because it has a glider. And it's also a Ninjoid, but it's called the Ninjoid Warrior. Or check out his glider, that's sick. We got some blades. Ka-ching! Oh, I hit this, huh? By the way, this was the limited edition golden ninja coal, and he has the quais and his armor. Look at that, Bantic armor. And also we have Kai in the car. It's called the X1 Ninja Charger. Check him out with the long hair. just like mine, doesn't it? And we have a turret head. Let me show you the best features of this. Alright, so now I'm going to be showing you all the 3 cool features. Alright, feature number 1. Turn this out and... Wait, hold on. Whoa! Now it's feature number 2. Oh, check that out. And it's the motor. The seat is actually in the motorcycle. And if I want to put it back, press it in. And there's a little lock you guys cannot see, but there is a lock. Let me... Okay, maybe there is. I could show you how it is. Press it back. And then you see this clip over here. Push the motorcycle back. Hold on. Whoa. Okay, I think I might have to fix that later. Let's just take it out. And the last features are these blades that can zap people. And that's all the 3 features. And I already showed you about the Lego set. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, turn on post notification bells, and comment something down below, okay? Bye!